now.
Okay, here you go. All right, I'm going to ask, what's your names, both of you? What's your name, first name?
Linwood.
Howard.
Okay, where are you from?
Fort Ritchie.
Fort Ritchie.
All right. How long have you been going to Rob and Diane sales?
Years.
What is the best thing you like about Rob and Diane sales?
They treat us pretty fair, and usually they got everything set up so you can see what's going on.
Do you go to estate sales often, and why? You can switch up whoever wants to answer it. Or if you don't want to, you don't have to.
We go about every week or so and just wander around. We primarily are interested in tools and whatever, you know.
Beer
All right.
can carts, right?
Yeah, or beer can
Or
cart.
beer can.
Do you typically find
Yeah,
what do you typically find what you're looking for at Rob and Diane sales?
We usually find something that we can use.
Okay, just a couple more. Did you ever find anything unique at their sales?
Yes, we found a partially built Budmobile or Budweiser can.
And what did you do with it?
Well, we had to buy some parts and controllers and so forth. It's remote control, and we had to redo parts of it because it wasn't really put together properly. And then we got it all running great. And then we were done with it because it just kept us busy for a while.
Did you
We got
sell
rid
it?
of Yes, we turned around.
You sold it.
Yes.
Did you make money on it?
Yes, we did make some money on
Good.
it.
That's the best
Even
thing.
after all the parts we had to put into it. Didn't make anything for labor, of course, but got our money back in parts.
That's awesome. If you were to have a sale for yourself or somebody else, would you recommend us?
Yes, I would.
Hello there. How
Perfect.
you doing today?
We're